no cash to spend. If I forget we had plans. When I feel like breaking down, ooh, you'd be there to hold my hand.
Hey my love, welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I'm going to create a South Indian bridal makeup look. A lot of you guys has been requested me for creating bridal looks, so I'm going to start this season with the South Indian look. I hope you guys will love it, and if you guys want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching. I'm going to start the makeup look by using some setting spray with the help of a cotton pad. I'm just applying it in all over my face. Make sure you do the step before any kind of heavy makeup look. Next I'll be applying some moisturizer, and for moisturizer I'm going to use the Pond's lightweight moisturizing gel. This is very nice and very comfortable. It is not greasy at all and good for oily to combination skin. For the next step, I am gonna be applying the Sugar Cosmetics LED Blur Primer. It is a very good primer if you have open pores. It will hide all the open pores around your nose area and your T-zone. First I'll be doing my eye makeup, and for that I'm going to use this Benefit Group Proof Brow Pencil, and I'm going to shape my brows first, and I'm going to fill the sparse areas in the brows and creating a beautiful brow look. I'm going to correct the brow line with the PAC Take Cover Concealer. My shade is Classic Beige. This will enhance the brow line and it will make sure that it will look clean and very beautiful. Also applying the same concealer on my eyelid as an eye primer or eyeshadow primer. I'm going to blend it out with the help of a makeup sponge from Forever 21. It will help the proper application of the shadow, which I'll be applying next. I'm going to set the concealer with the help of the Sugar Cosmetics Powder Play Banana Compact so that it kind of mattify the concealer completely. Move on to the eye makeup. Today I am going to use this Glitter Galaxy Daydream palette. Taking this light brown shade, I am going to apply it to my crease area and as well as upper crease area, and I'm making sure that I'm blending it properly. Next I'm taking a darker brown shade and I'm defining the crease area even more, and also applying the same shadow to the outer C portion. I'm going to cut my crease half with the help of the same concealer by PAC Cosmetics. Next I'll be applying the shimmer shade. This is a very beautiful golden shimmer shade which I'm applying with the help of a flat brush, and I'm using the press and slide method. I'll be creating a beautiful winged liner with the help of the Nykaa Black Magic Liner. This is the gel liner and created a very beautiful winged liner look. Also I'm going to create an inner wing and then defining the outer portion with the help of the darker brown shade even more. Now move on to the face makeup. First I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is the matte and poreless one. First applying it in dotted motion and then blending it out with the help of the same sponge. Make sure you are blending the foundation in dabbing motion because that will give you the maximum coverage to your face. You can see how flawless and seamless my base makeup is looking. For concealer, I'm going with the Age Rewind concealer by the same brand and applying to the outer areas of my eyes, my under eye areas, nose bridge, cupid's bow and chin, and also I'm blending it out properly and mixing it properly with the foundation shade so that it looks seamless and flawless. All the products I'll be using in this video will be mentioned below in the bottom bar, so make sure to check it out, and also I'll be mentioning the product's name in the display. I'm baking my face with the help of the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, also correcting my jawline and mattifying my whole face. Using this Wet n Wild bronzer, this is a very pretty shade, and applying it to the hollows of the cheeks to give my face some depth and definition as well. Also applying it to the jawline to make a beautiful shadow, and also applying it to the forehead and especially my hairline. For my blush, I'm going with this orange toned blush by Makeup Obsession and giving my cheeks some sort of color, and also applying the same blush on my nose a very little bit. Move on to the eye makeup again. I am applying this K Beauty 24-hour eyeliner, which is the star of the show, applying it to the outer corner of my eyes as well as lower lash line and lower waterline, and then smudging it up with the help of a smudger brush and using the transition shade to blend it out properly and giving it a smoky effect. I'm finishing my eye makeup with the help of the Wet n Wild Max Voluminous Mascara. This mascara is really good. It gives volume as well as length to my lashes, and that's why I'm applying few coats upper lashes and lower lashes. And I'm applying some fixing spray from Gerard Cosmetics. And next I'm taking this highlighter shade from the Sugar Cosmetics Contour de Force Face Palette in the shade Vivid Victory and applying it to the cheekbones, cupid's bow, chin and as well as forehead little bit. Also applying the same shade to highlight my inner corners as well as the brow bone. I'm finishing the look with the help of the Lakme Absolute liquid lipstick in the shade Mauve Mix, and also this is the one lip option where you can keep it completely nude. It will look absolutely pretty. And I can also give you the darker lip shade option where I'm using the Sugar Matte Attack Transfer Proof lipstick in the shade Tan Helen. It's a very pretty shade and it's complementing the look even more, and you can see how beautiful it is looking. So here I am completing my look with bridal jewelry, and I hope this video is helpful for you and it will give you some sort of idea to create a South Indian look. If you guys like it, make sure to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up. I will see you guys super soon with brand new video. Until next time, bye, take care.